Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to make some cool and easy crafts. First we are taking a red sheet and then folding it out just like this. Repeat the steps with same 6 of these and then join both of them together, and after that join rest of them all together and then place a green stick onto the between. After that just mold it like what we are doing and expand the sheet we folded. As you can see, we are making a cute rose. For the rose we are just overlapping the sheets what we've folded, and then we are curling out the outer part of the petals. After that you can see your cute rose flower is ready. Now you can detail it or gift it to someone. Next we are taking a yellow sheet and then folding it out from the sides, from 4 of the sides to get these markings, and then folding it again from the front. After that just repeat the steps what we are doing here, and then you can see you get your cute airplane ready. You can make it with any color or with any color sheet. After that you can detail it with any color, and then here we are using scissors also by cutting excess parts. Now you can use any sketch pen or any material to decorate it. Now it's ready. Let's move ahead to our next craft in this video. Here we've taken a yellow sheet and then we are folding it into a square and then folding it from the sides. Again we are turning it backwards and then folding it again for the marks, and then turning it into a diamond shape. After that folding it again. Just repeat the steps what we are doing here very carefully, and then you can see step by step how we are making a cute animal. For that just watch the steps carefully, fold the edges all together, and for the main closure we are using scissors for cutting the excess part and for making more body parts of this. And then you can see by minutes your cute animal is ready. You can make it with many other colors, and also you can use it for decorating, for gifting, or for playing. Everyone will love it. Next we are taking a yellow square sheet and then folding it out, as you can see, from the front and from the sides. After that we are molding it again so that it looks like a funky nail, and then repeat this step with more other nails also, and it's done. Next we are taking some ice cream sticks, and from a mask we are taking its plastic and then inserting the plastic in 6 of the toothpick, and then we are knotting it out, as you can see. And then we will take a square paper and then cutting it out from the sides. After that we are pasting the ice cream sticks on the one side of it, and then we are cutting it out the axis, and your cute fan is ready. Next we are taking an ice cream stick and then placing a rubber and earbud on it, and you can see your shooter is ready. Thanks for watching.